everyone. My name is Harmades Bilarusi. My name 415183100047. Information technology and social media in industrial revolution era 4.0. The use of computer technology for manufacturing automation starting in the 1970 market the third industrial revolution. Today, the rapid development of sensor technology, interconnection, and data analysis has given rise to the idea integration field. This is referred to as Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 is the automation of production system by utilizing technology. Here are some important roles of information technology in the area of the industrial revolution 4.0. Information technology is any technology that assists human in creating, changing, storing, communication, and or disseminating information. Example of information technology are computer, telephone, television, mobile phone, and other tools that are electronic device. Information technology also developed in line with the development of human civilization. The development of information technology include the development of IT infrastructure such as hardware, software, data storage technology, and communication technology. Information technology is very influential in the industrial era 4.0 because in the industrial era 4.0 it release of information technology in all fields from the economy, education, health, government, and other. Because information technology greatly facilitate human in the production, processing data, and disseminating information. So that information technology in this era is very fast development. The development of information technology so that human labor can turn into machine power. Apart from the speed of the engine power is also more guaranteed accuracy and success in work. Technology also has negative impact, namely the number of frauds, SMS, social media account being hacked, and many other negative things that can be caused by the development of information technology. Based on this description, as a smart human being, you should be careful in using information technology and responding to issue or threats. In the era of the industrial revolution 4.0, technological development is very rapid. The presence of social media is very helpful in the learning process because it can bring something that was previously difficult to bring into the classroom. Therefore, things that were previously impossible the present in class because they are difficult through social media. Everything can be present and displayed to student to provide meaning lesson. For this reason, teacher must develop themselves in utilizing social media, and teachers are highly recommended to master the IT field that can provide innovative and varied learning. Then in the practice of learning, pieces in the classroom are needed because learning PC is still very boring. This is indicated by design of pieces. Learning is formal. By not demand memorization for students, it is still artificial. There is still lack of connection with the real world. A little bit of modeling and experimental to face the education system in the industrial revolution 4.0. physics teacher graduate must be able to adapt to various learning style and learning model. And this time the world has entered the era industrial revolution 4.0 where technological development are increasingly sophisticated. Change industrial world have in computing, big data system, generic engineering, and development of neuromethods. In addition, in the era of industrial revolution 4.0, the reaction of tools that help facilitate human work such as robots, the increase efficiency and complete a job both industry, health, and also in agriculture. This caused many types of jobs to be lost and replaced by robotic or artificial intelligence function that will occur. Social change and shift in the field of business in the long term that will be felt in the digital industrial revolution. When technological development progress so fast, it caused the skill process by work to become obsolete quickly. Human work to not rule out the possibility of facing new types of work that were never thought of before. So this revolution inevitably demands that we continue to develop skills that can be useful in the future. Therefore, it is necessary to have information and communication technology skill to face the era industrial revolution 4.0 with the intention that we must be able to understand technology such as global occurrence, media and technology literacy, and visual literacy. In addition to face the current revolution era must also have soft skills such as the ability to communicate effectively, so being able to work in a team and collaboration, have personal and social responsible. In communication must be interactive, have a national global orientation, have a leadership spirit as responsible, have ethical and moral productivity and accountability, flexibility and adaptability. Social and cross-cultural, innovative and self-directed. Thus it hope that work today must prepare themselves to have information and communication technology skills to face the era of the industrial revolution 4.0, so that are able to adapt to changing times that occur. The industrial revolution marked very rapid progress. Computer and increasingly sophisticated or also called supercomputer. Mobile phone or cell phone development into smartphone. Smartphones are mobile phones that have advanced features and capabilities similar to computer. No wonder that many people in smartphone as handheld computer that have telephone facility. Smartphone features include telephone, SMS, internet, ebook, viewer, document editing application as well as online. The amazing development of communication and information technology has changed modern human life. Not only facilitate communication between humans in various parts of the earth. Communication and information technology is very supportive of our various jobs. However, there are other problems that arise in today's life. Namely the creating of individuals who are increasingly individualistic. Individuals have a negative impact on life together or in society. The effect is very much complex. The development of smartphone technology, the create individualistic personality has an impact on interpersonal or group. Communication, the present of smartphone has caused social communication crisis, especially for the younger generation. Social media is itself is good in principle. Social media has created to make communication easier. Everyone can connect anywhere in the world, or even in reality. The main idea in presenting social media in actual the opposite. The current phenomenon shows that many people are most engrossed in their smartphone or con in cyberspace than social interaction in the world. Young people are comfortable in their own world. Finger become the world. That it many people are only focused on smartphone. They are busy with everything that in the on smartphone with finger or everyone can access anything. Entertain themselves with the latest game. We can see when people have a meal together, just get together, family gathering, or action together. Most of them are actually more busy with smartphone. They gather to eat together, for example, but enjoy themselves separately, so that intent togetherness it not create the people get greeted did not create intentional communication, or at least there was interaction between most people were together and even more engrossed in interaction with the virtual world than the world. I prefer to play games that interact with people around them. It can happen other people look or set individual who are engrossed in smartphone will react the same way, namely looking or set. Unfortunately, it will be obvious from his expression that is local or sadness in not sincere. He just joined is looking or sad, but does not know in what context the people around him look or are sad. In fact, it could also happen that the people around him look or were we said it did not care at all. Such a phenomenon is what cause a crisis of social communication. It can even become antisocial. Antisocial means that smartphone and social media cause individual to be more active in cyberspace that interaction in the world. Extreme people it assume that the virtual world is the real world. We can overcome this social communication crisis by communicating the spend more time interacting with the real world. We can start with simple things. For example, greeting friend with a sense smile. And smile every morning. We can also momentarily ignore smartphone when gathering with family, friend, and acquaintances, even if when to continue to use smartphone video call facility and can be used to communicate with family or friends who are not in the same location. It is important for use in life together to give each other in the form of intense communication with the people around you. Hopefully we can use smartphone for the common good. Yeah, thank you.